Best apps for crypto news. Number 1 is the CoinDesk. CoinDesk is a highly trusted source in cryptocurrency space, offering real-time updates on market trends, policy changes, and technological advancements. It is also known for its detailed analysis and in-depth reporting, making it an excellent app for staying informed about the big picture in crypto. The app also includes charts and market data, helping you keep track of price fluctuations and performance metrics. Secondly, the Cointelegraph. Cointelegraph is famous for its visually engaging content such as infographics making complex topics more accessible. It covers everything from daily crypto news to deep live articles on blockchain technology and trends. Third is the CryptoPanic. CryptoPanic is a new aggregator, meaning it pulls in news from multiple sources, including social media updates and government announcements. This makes it perfect for those who want to follow a variety of perspectives and track sentiment across the crypto space. Fourth is the Messari. Messari stands out for its combination of news and data-driven insights. Beyond providing breaking news, Messari offers extensive research reports, project analysis, and a personalized dashboard where you can follow the performance of specific tokens or projects. Fifth is the FTX. Originally designed as a portfolio tracking app, this is a Blockfolio before, but now is FTX. This has been expanded to include real-time crypto news relevant to the coins in your portfolio. It delivers updates and insights directly to users based on their holdings, making it a convenient choice for those actively managing their assets. Sixth is the Crypto News. This app aggregates crypto news from multiple sources, ensuring you don't miss out on important updates. It also covers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including smaller, lesser known altcoins, which is ideal if you're looking to explore beyond the mainstream tokens. Last one is the News BTC. News BTC provides comprehensive news coverage of the crypto market with a special focus on technical analysis. If you're a trader looking for insights into market movements, price predictions, and chart patterns, this app is a great resource. In addition to news updates, it offers educational content for both beginner and advanced traders. And that's our best app for crypto news. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.